welcome back to Cornus online classes. In the last session, we have discussed about the fractions and types of the fractions and how to add, subtract, multiply and divide the fractions. So in the today's session, let us discuss about the decimals. So in the decimals, these also how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply, how to divide the decimals and the definition of the decimals. These already have studied in the previous classes. So once again we discuss those about the decimals. So first before solving the problems, we should have to know the definition of the decimal. How do we define the decimal? So decimal is what? It is a set of numbers written together with a dot between them. Set of numbers written together with a dot between them. For example, 2 divided 2.3. So here a set of numbers 2 and 3 are the set of numbers. So in between those numbers we have put a dot. So this dot is known as decimal point, and this total number 2.3 is a decimal number. A set of numbers written together with a dot between them, it is called decimals. So 2.3 is an example for decimal. 0.001 is an example for the decimal. 23.28 is an example for the decimal. 69.737 it is an example for the decimal. 1.2873 is an example for the decimal. 1283.73 it is an example for the decimal, or 0.000001 it is also example for the decimal. So in all these examples, just observe. So it contains a set of number and there is a dot in between those set of numbers. So these are all known as example for the decimals. So now we discuss how to add the decimals, how to subtract the decimal, and how to multiply the decimal, and how to divide the decimal. So first, addition. So how to add the decimal? For example, 0.2 plus 0.7. So these are the two decimals we have to add. So here first you have to write 0.2 and next 0.7. Below the dot you have to write again a dot, next number dot. So if you add, so 2 plus 7 it is 9. Point is therefore point as it is, 0 plus 0 is 0. Answer is 0.9. 0.2 plus 0.7 is 0.9. So one more example, 1.23 plus 7.29. We have to add these two. So again 1.23, 7.29 plus 3 plus 9 it is 12, 1 carry, you have to write here. 2 plus 2 it is 4 plus 1 carry 5 as it is. Next there is a dot, put dot as it is. 1 plus 7 is 8. So if you add these two, how much you will get? 8.52. And one more example. 0.037 plus 11.023. So these are the two decimal numbers we have to add these. So first number write as it is 0.037. 11.023 means don't start with here. Below the dotted line, you have to have dotted line only. So 11 you have to write this side. 0.2023 you have to write this side. Below the dotted line, you have to get dotted line only. So addition 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 carry 0. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6. 0 plus 0 is 0. Next there is a dot, put a dot as it is. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 as it is. So if you add these two decimal numbers, you will get how much? 11.060. One more example. 223.207 plus 1228.03. So again these two are the decimal number. We have to add these two. So 23.207 first number write as it is. This dotted line you have to get below that dotted line only. This side we are having 1228. and after decimal point we have 0, 3. So while adding, below this number there is no number means take 0. Above this number there is no number means you can take 0. You can take or you can solve without taking the 0 also. So if you don't want any confusion, you can put the zeros and you can add. So if you add these two, 7 plus 0 is 7, 0 plus 3 is 3, 2 plus 0 is 2, and there is a point, 1 point, 3 plus 8 it is 11, 1 carry 1, 2 plus 2 it is 4, plus 1 it is 5, 0 plus 2 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. So if you add these two, how much will you get? 1251.237. So like this, you have to add the decimal numbers. So next we discuss about the subtraction of decimals. How to subtract the decimal? So just we have to solve some example. Subtraction. 0.02 minus 0.01. So there are two numbers, two decimals. So to subtract these, 0.02 as it is minus 0.01. Same again you have to follow below decimal point, you have to get again a decimal point. So here is subtraction, 2 minus 1 is 1, 0 minus 0 is 0, point is then 4.0. So if you subtract these two, you get how much? 0.01. So next one more example, 1.237 minus 0.138. So these are the two decimal numbers. We have to subtract them. So 1.237 minus 0.138. If you want to subtract, so we have to take carry 17 minus 8. So 2 plus it is 9. And here, so again carry 13 plus 4. 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4 is how much? Again it is 9. 13 minus 4 is 9. 2 minus 2 it is 0. Point is that point. 1 minus 0 is 1. So if you subtract these two, how much you get? 1.099. So one more example. 238.021 minus 12.1789. So we have to subtract these two numbers. So 238.021 minus, so below this decimal point, you have to get decimal point, 12.1789. Already I have told you that you have to take 0, anyway you don't have. And if you subtract these, 10 minus 9 is 1. And 11 minus 9 is 2. And next, 12 minus 9 is 3. Next, 10 minus 2 is 8. Decimal point is there for decimal point. 8 minus 3 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. And 2 minus 0 is 2. So if you subtract these two, you get how much? 225.8321. So like this, you have to subtract the decimal. So these are subtraction of subtraction, addition, multiplication, division, already you have studied. So you have to follow these methods to solve those decimal problems. So next we have to discuss about the multiplication. Multiplication. 0.2 into 0.3. Very simple. If you want to multiply the decimal, just skip the decimal point, just observe the number. Here we are having 3, here we are having 2. So 3 2s are how much? 6. First we have to write this one. After decimal point in this number you have only 1. After decimal point I am asking. After decimal point how many numbers are there? 1. Here after the decimal point how many numbers are there? There also 1. So it means here 1, here 1. After decimal point you have to get 2 numbers. So if you want to get 2 numbers, already after making the product you have got 1 number. one number you want, so then you have to put 0, not after the 6, before the 6, and put a point and then 0. 0.06 is the multiplication of these two. Next, one more example. 2.3 into 0.7. So here also skip the decimal point. So if you skip here 23 you are getting, if you skip here 7. 23 7 3s are 21, 2 carry. 7 2s are 14 plus 2 16. 161 is the product of 23 and 7. After decimal point one number is there, after decimal point one number is there, after decimal point you are going to get two numbers. So 1 2, put point here, 1.61 is the answer. So in the same way, next one, 0.007 into 0.01. Skip the point. Here totally we are having 7, here totally we are having 1. 7 ones are how much? 7. After decimal point, here 3 numbers are there. 1, 2, 3. Here also after decimal point, 2 numbers are there. Totally here 3, here 2 means totally after decimal point you are having 5 numbers. But you have only one number. Still how many zeros you have to put backside here? 4 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4.0. So 0.00007 is a product of these two numbers. One more example. 12.3 into 0.12. If you want to make the product of these, so just take 123 and 1. So somewhere half work you have to do. 123 12s are 12 3s are 36, 3 carry. 12 2s are 24 plus 3 27. 12 1s are 12 plus 2 14. 1476. 1476 you are getting product of 123 and 12. After decimal point one number is there, after decimal point two numbers are there. It means after decimal point you need 3 numbers. So put a point by taking 3 numbers back side. So 1.476 is the answer for 12.3 into 0.1. Division of the fractions. So here let us discuss about the division of the fractions. So I will take one example. 0.4 divided by 0.2. You have to divide these two. So 0.4 divided by 0.2. After decimal point, both sides we are having one number. Here also you are having 1. In denominator also you are having 1. First just divide the numbers. 4 divided by 2 is how much? 2. After decimal point one number is there. After decimal point one number is there. Subtract them. 1 minus 1 is 0. So decimal point only we are not getting. So only 2 is the answer. So next one, 0.012 divided by 0.3. If you have like this. Again 0.012 divided by 0.3, that is equal to 12 divided by 3. How much it is? 4. After decimal point 1, 2, 3 are there. After decimal point 1 number is there. 3 minus 1. 2 numbers you have to get. So 0.04. There is the multiplication. After decimal point how many numbers are there? You are observing and adding those, and that much of the number you are taking back. But here in the division you have to subtract the numbers after the decimal point. One more example. 1.2 divided by 0.4. So 1.2 divided by 0.4 is equal to 12 by 4 means it is 3. After decimal point, in both we are having one number, so only one getting how much? 3. 1 minus 1 is 0, so no more numbers we are getting, so it means it is how much? Only 3. One more example. 12.24 divided by 0.4. So 12.24 divided by 0.4. So first you have to divide it by 4. So 4 3s are 12. Totally we can cancel. Next we are having 2. Put a 0 and consider next number 24. So 4 6 are 24. So if you divide 1224 divided by 4, you are getting how much? 306. After decimal point, two numbers are there. After decimal point, one number is there. So 2 minus 1, it is 1. So it means answer is 30.6. So 12.24 divided by 0.4, you are getting how much? 30.6. So like this, you have to divide the decimal. So in today's class, we have discussed how to add, how to multiply, how to subtract, and how to divide the decimals. So in the next session, we will discuss some more basic concepts which are there in the mathematics subject, and already we have studied those in the previous year, and which you will get those in the next year. So those all we will discuss in the next session. Thank you.